Hello, and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable resource for professional advice and insights. We are your trusted partner in uncovering the latest tools and strategies to enhance your work life. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting your journey, HouseLux Estate is here to guide you along the way. Today, we're on the cusp of a new revolution, right at the intersection of technology and productivity. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of AI and discover how it can boost productivity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized many aspects of our lives, from personal tasks to professional duties. It's more than just a buzzword. It's a reality shaping the world as we know it. AI is the invisible force behind many of the tools we use daily, making our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine a world where your devices can learn from your behavior, anticipate your needs, and respond accordingly. That's AI in action. It's in your smartphones, your smart homes, even your smart cars. And it's not just about convenience. AI has a profound impact on various domains, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and education. AI is not about replacing human intelligence, but rather enhancing it. It's about taking over mundane tasks so we can focus on what truly matters. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its ability to boost productivity. And that's what we're going to explore next. Several AI tools can enhance productivity in various professional settings. In the ever-evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI, has taken center stage. Its capabilities are not just limited to futuristic movies or high-tech laboratories. AI has entered our day-to-day life, and especially our workspaces. It's revolutionizing the way we perform tasks, making us more efficient, and yes, you guessed it, more productive. Let's explore a few AI tools that are changing the game. First, we have AI-powered virtual assistants. Think of Siri or Alexa, but for your professional life. These digital helpers can schedule meetings, set reminders, even draft emails, all commanded by your voice. They're like a personal secretary, minus the coffee runs. Next, we have AI-driven project management tools. These smart applications can predict project timelines, allocate resources, and even identify potential bottlenecks before they become a problem. They take the guesswork out of project planning, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Then there's AI in the realm of customer service. Chatbots, for instance, can handle hundreds of customer interactions simultaneously, providing instant responses and resolving issues faster than ever before. They're available around the clock, ensuring that your customer service never sleeps. AI also shines in the field of data analysis. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data, spotting trends and making predictions that would take a human analyst months, if not years, to uncover. This can be a game changer in decision-making, helping businesses stay one step ahead of the competition. And let's not forget about AI in content creation. AI-powered tools can generate content, from blog posts to social media updates, freeing up time for creative minds to focus on strategy and big-picture thinking. These are just a few examples of how AI tools can boost productivity, transforming the way we work and providing us with more time to focus on what really matters. Now that we've introduced these tools, let's dive into how to use them. Using AI tools is easier than you might think. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and you'll see just how simple it can be. First off, let's start with identifying the areas where you need a productivity boost. This could be anything from time management to project organization, or even just streamlining your daily tasks. Once you've identified these areas, you're ready to explore the AI tools that can help you. Now, step 2 involves choosing the right AI tool for the job. There are many available options, each with its own unique features and benefits. For time management, consider tools that offer automated scheduling and reminders. For project organization, look for tools that create dynamic to-do lists and track project progress. And for daily tasks, tools with voice assistants can be a real game changer. Once you've chosen the right tool, step 3 is all about setting it up. This usually involves downloading the tool onto your device, signing up for an account, and customizing your settings. Remember, each tool will have its own setup process, but don't worry. Most tools provide clear instructions and user-friendly interfaces to guide you through the process. Now we move on to step 4, learning how to use your chosen tool. This might seem daunting at first, but remember, the goal of these AI tools is to simplify your life, not complicate it. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the tool's features and functions. Step 5 is all about integration. Start incorporating the tool into your daily routine. If it's a time management tool, use it to schedule your meetings and tasks. If it's a project organization tool, use it to track your project milestones. And if it's a daily task tool, use it to automate your routine tasks. Finally, step 6, evaluation. After using the tool for a while, take some time to evaluate its effectiveness. Is it improving your productivity? Is it easy to use? Does it meet your needs? If the answer is yes, fantastic. You've successfully integrated an AI tool into your routine. If the answer is no, don't worry. There are plenty of other tools out there. Go back to step 2 and choose another tool that better suits your needs. And there you have it. 6 simple steps to using AI tools to boost your productivity. It's all about identifying your needs, choosing the right tool, setting it up, learning how to use it, integrating it into your routine, and evaluating its effectiveness. As you can see, integrating AI tools into your routine can significantly enhance your productivity. It's a straightforward process that can yield significant results. So why not give it a try? With the right tool and a little patience, you'll be on your way to a more productive and efficient life. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed today. We dove into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, exploring its potential to revolutionize the way we work, play, and live. We talked about how AI isn't just some futuristic concept. It's here, now, and it's already reshaping industries and transforming productivity in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. We then moved on to discuss specific AI tools that can boost productivity, tools that leverage AI's ability to learn, adapt, and improve. We talked about AI-powered project management tools that can prioritize tasks, assign workloads, and even predict project timelines. We explored AI chatbots that can handle customer inquiries 24/7, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues. We looked at AI tools that can analyze vast amounts of data, extracting key insights that can drive smarter decision-making. We also went through the steps to use these AI tools. We started with understanding your needs and identifying the right AI tool that fits those needs. We then moved on to the implementation phase, which involves integrating the AI tool into your existing systems and processes. We also emphasized the importance of training your team on how to use the AI tool and leveraging its full potential. The key takeaway here is that AI tools can enhance productivity by automating routine tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategic initiatives. They can provide deeper insights, enable faster decision-making, and even predict future trends. But it's crucial to remember that these tools are just that, tools. They're here to assist, not replace. They can't replicate human creativity, intuition, or judgment. So as we embrace the AI revolution, let's not lose sight of the human element. Let's use these AI tools to augment our capabilities, not replace them. After all, the most powerful tool we have is our mind, and AI is here to help us make the most of it. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. That's all for today's video on how to use AI tools to boost productivity. We hope you've gained valuable insights and are eager to put them into practice. Remember, the future is digital, and we're here to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful and want to stay ahead, keep us in your corner. We'll continue to bring you professional advice and insights to navigate the changing landscape. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos from HouseLux Estate. Until next time, stay productive.